Can I ask then, why is it acceptable in certain elements of the organisation that loans and funding would be made available? Is it a case that some elements of the FAI organisation is more equal than others?
No. I'm not quite sure, Deputy, exactly what that, without being, I'm not being smart here, I'm not quite sure what that means. But if you mean
I'll give you an example.
Men's football, underage or adult, they all stand equal, yes.
I give an example, and perhaps Mr. Delaney might be able to answer this as the person who made the funding available, and no one questions your passion for soccer. Last year, Bray Wanderers, a historical club, nearly went to its knees. Why was there not a need to help them?
When Bray Wanderers presented...
No, that was Mr. Delaney, actually.
But can I take this, please? When Bray Wanderers...
Well, I've actually...
In fairness, he's entitled to... Mr. Delaney's open to other questions, so I think he should answer.
Well, I think he said, Mr. Chairman, that questions in relation to his former role as CEO, which that would come under, I think in his statement he said that he did not wish to take those questions.
I'll just clarify that. Right. Okay, no, I accept that. Sorry, apologies. I know he's happy to answer other questions into his present role. Excuse me. No, you're right. Mr. Delaney, you don't have to answer that question.
Okay. Can I ask